Standard Science Unit number 3 Energy. In this lesson we are going to learn about different forms of energy and its uses. Law of conservation of energy. Before moving on to the different forms of energy, let us learn what is energy. Energy is the capacity to do work. We need energy to perform activities. We get energy from the food. There are different forms of energy. So those type of energies are mechanical, heat, light, wind and etc. Let us learn the first form of energy is mechanical energy. What is mechanical energy? Energy possessed by an object due to its position and motion is called mechanical energy. Mechanical energy can be classified into two. First, kinetic energy. Next, potential energy. Kinetic energy. Energy possessed by an moving object is known as kinetic energy. It is also known as energy of motion. Example of kinetic energy is moving car, cricket ball bowled by a player, etc. Potential energy. Energy possessed by an object which is at rest is known as potential energy. Example of potential energy is object lifted above, stone stretched, rubber and etc. Potential energy is also known as stored energy of position. Uses of mechanical energy. Mechanical energy can be used to do many works. First use is in hydroelectric plants. Kinetic energy of water is converted into electrical energy. Next, windmills convert kinetic energy of wind into electrical energy. And then third, mechanical energy of the hammer is used to apply a force on a nail. The last is mechanical energy can bring a moving body to rest and make a body at rest to move. Next one, wind energy. Next one, wind energy. Energy possessed by the wind is known as wind energy. Uses of wind energy. So first use is windmills. Use wind energy to generate electricity. Sports like windsurfing, sailing kite, surfing use wind energy. Students, Tamil Nadu stands first in generating electricity from windmills. Windmills are located in places like Aralvaimoli, Kayataru and Kudimangalam. Next, now let us learn about heat energy. When the temperature of a substance is raised, its atom and molecules begin to vibrate and release a kind of energy. If we put some ice cubes into water in a glass, water becomes cold because heat is transferred from water to ice. Sun is the primary source of heat energy. This energy is known as heat energy or thermal energy. Uses of heat energy. Heat energy obtained from power station is used to generate electricity. Next, heat energy obtained from petrol and diesel is used to run vehicles. We can cook food with the help of heat. Heat energy renders the food materials soft and easy to digest. Hard substances like iron are heated to mold them into different shapes. Heat is used dry cloths and other wet substance. Heat is the total energy of the molecules in a body. Temperature is a measure of heat in a body. Light energy. Light is a form of energy which travels in the form of wave. This is the energy which is visible to human eye. It contains a particle called photons, which are minute packets of energy. Light does not require any medium to travel. It travels at a speed of 3 lakhs km per second. Uses of light energy. To see an object in a dark room, we need a light energy. Plants use light energy to synthesize the food. With the help of light energy, our skin is able to synthesize vitamin D. Electricity can be produced with the help of light energy. Next one. Study of light is known as optics. Next one, electrical energy. Atom possess particles like protons, electrons and neutrons. Movement of electron in the objects causes an energy. This energy is called electrical energy. In our day-to-day life, electrical energy is mostly used while comparing with other energy. Now let us see the uses of electrical energy. Electrical energy is needed for the working of fan, light, television, washing machine, refrigerator, etc. It is used to run cars and trains. It is used in the factories to produce materials. Electric eel generates electric energy. It uses this energy to defend itself against its predators. Chemical energy. When two or more chemical substances react with each other, this energy is released. Uses of chemical energy. The food we eat contains chemical energy. Chemical energy in wood provides heat energy which helps us to cook food. Batteries we use in our daily life contain chemical energy. Chemical energy in coal is used to generate electricity. Fuels like petrol and diesel possess chemical energy which is used to run vehicles. Water dam. Water stored in water dams possess potential energy. When water falls down, potential energy of water is converted into kinetic energy. Kinetic energy of water rotates the turbines and electric energy is generated. Electrical appliances. Electric energy is used in many domestic appliances such as electric stove, iron box and fan. Electric energy flows into the coil in the devices. As current flows, it heats up the coil. With the help of this heat energy, we do many useful works. Thus, electrical energy is converted into heat energy. Electrical energy is converted to mechanical energy in fan, light. In fan, light energy in bulb and sound energy in computer. We use fuel in the form of petrol or diesel or gas to run vehicles. When this fuel burns in the engine, chemical energy is converted into heat energy. Burning fuel produces hot gases which pushes the piston in the engine to move the vehicle. Thus, heat energy is converted into mechanical energy.